Now, the showdown over the alleged illegal mosque in Shimla has dramatically escalated. As we speak, Shimla is witnessing a lot of protest by Hindu groups who are demanding a resolution to the entire issue. Just a short while back, the protesters also clashed with the cops. They broke barricades in return. The cops lathi charged the demonstrators and fired water cannons. Now, do remember, the Hindu groups and the local residents have been alleging that the mosque in the Sanjoli area has been constructed illegally. In fact, a Himachal Pradesh minister, Anirudh Singh, himself had made that mention of the alleged land grab, and that too in the assembly. The protesters are continuing to say that the legal dispute has been dragging on for years. There should now be some kind of a resolution in the case. They're also demanding a probe into the funding of the mosque and want the mosque to be sealed until the hearing in the case is completed. First up is a response that has just come in from the Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister.
प्रदेश में कानून व्यवस्था कायम रखना सरकार का दायित्व है। सौहार्द का माहौल है। संजौली में विरोध प्रदर्शन करना में सबका अधिकार है। शांतिपूर्ण विरोध प्रदर्शन होगा।
डेमोग्राफी चेंज
की बात नहीं है, लेकिन आज हमने विधानसभा अध्यक्ष ने कमेटी गठन की है कि जो भी स्ट्रीट वेंडर्स के लिए पैरामीटर्स बनाए जाएंगे कि क्या नियम बनाने हैं, क्या कैसे स्ट्रीट वेंडर्स आएंगे और इस प्रकार के झगड़े ना हो। और जो मस्जिद की बात है, उस मस्जिद में जो भी कानून के हिसाब से कार्रवाई होगी, अगर गैर कानूनी है, अवैध इलीगल कंस्ट्रक्शन हुई है, उस बारे में भी जो अदालत है वो फैसला करेगी।
So the Chief Minister saying that the issue must not be politicized. The leader of the opposition Himachal Pradesh Assembly, Jairam Thakur, has also responded. He said that the protest should be held within the limits of the law. At the same time, he's also urged the government there to resolve the matter soon. We also have a reaction that has come in from BJP's Anurag Thakur. Let's listen in to what they have to say.
कॉन्फ्लिक्ट देखने को बहुत ज़्यादा आज तक मिली नहीं है, लेकिन एक परिस्थिति इस प्रकार की जो बनी है जिस पर सरकार को संज्ञान लेने के साथ साथ में उसमें आवश्यक कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए थी, उसमें विलंब होते देख करके लोगों में गुस्सा है। सरकार से मेरा इस बात के लिए विशेष तौर से आग्रह है कि अगर अनऑथराइज्ड कंस्ट्रक्शन है तो निश्चित रूप से प्रयास करिए कि इस काम का इस समस्या का समाधान जल्दी से हो सके।
मुझे लगता है इस मुद्दे की गहराई में जाना चाहिए और ये जो नई परिस्थितियां बनी हैं इसके कारण क्या रहे और इससे लोकल डेमोग्राफी पे कितना फर्क पड़ रहा है। ये स्थानीय लोगों में जो रोष है उसके बहुत गंभीर कारण हैं और ऐसी अनेकों घटनाएं पिछले कुछ वर्षों में देखने को मिली हैं और मुझे लगता है इसकी गहराई में इसलिए जाना जरूरी है कि भविष्य में इस तरह के प्रयास आगे ना किए जाएं।
Let's also get in our colleague Amandeep, who's joining us live on the story at this point in time. Amandeep, please move your cameras and show us what is the current situation and what are we learning from the law enforcers? Is the protest only building up?
Well, absolutely, Dipti. I request my camera person to kindly pan the camera and show you the present situation. So, Dipti, basically the protesters are gathering. The number is increasing since morning. And in fact, here you can see that law enforcement is trying to maintain the situation, but the protesters are not turning down. They are not willing to disperse the protest. And this is one side, Dipti. The technical part of this entire protest is that the protest is happening on two ends of Sanjoli market. That means the mosque is in the middle of the market and both the ends of this market has been completely occupied by protesters. Earlier we have seen that lathi charge by the police when the protesters tried to toss off the barricade moving towards the masjid area. But now on the other side another group has gathered and they are also trying to move inside from different location. So basically the entire market has been occupied by these protesters and they are not willing to defuse this protest. Though, Dipti, this is a leaderless protest. protest. This protest not called by any single particular organization. They all are locals. They all are from Himachal, and maximum people they have gathered here. They all are from Sanjoli and Shimla, and rest that upper and lower Himachal people have also came here to join the protest, to participate in the protest, to support them. And even their only demand is that they wanted to lodge the protest outside that masjid. So here you can see the visuals. The visuals are very much revealing the situation and giving you the complete sense of the situation. Since morning 11 a.m., Deepti, this protest has started escalating. People started gathering. First they crossed the tunnel after tossing off the barricades, after breaking the security layers of police, and they entered into a Dhali tunnel. So Dhali tunnel, after crossing Dhali tunnel, they entered into the market of Sanjoli. And again the lathi charge, the water cannons used to disperse the protesters, where protesters did not turn down. And now on the other side of the market, protesters have also gathered. So here you can see now the police have deployed the vehicles in front of the protesters, and even the water cannons are also put in place to deal with the situation. ADM, Deputy Commissioner and SP, they are continuously requesting the people to disperse the protest, remain in a peaceful manner. And the only demand of the protesters are they wanted to move ahead of this location. They wanted to go beyond the barricades. And Dipti, the technical part and the most difficult situation for the police is that there is no single person with whom they can negotiate the talks to get this situation over. Just because this is a leaderless protest, we have not seen anybody giving the lecture to these protesters who have gathered here. We have not seen any banner or any poster of one single particular organization. What we have seen is that tricolors in their hands and chanting against the government, raising the slogan against the government, demanding the action regarding the unauthorized structure of that religious building. And here you can see, so that is the reason. So deadlock is still sustaining, Deepti. This is one side. On the other side, the protest is still on. The police is trying to diffuse the protesters, to disperse the protesters. Earlier they have applied the force also, but that turned out to be of no use. Again they push them back, they come again, just because this number is increasing every minute. Number of people are joining the protest, and this number is increasing. That turning out to be the difficult situation for the police as well as for administration. They don't know with whom they should talk to disperse these protesters. They don't know with whom they should negotiate to disperse these protesters, to get over this situation. So that is the reason. A deadlock is still sustaining. There is a head-on collision between the protesters and the law enforcement agency, and even this protest not belongs to one particular organization. On Saturday, a call has been given on the social media after the hearing has taken place in the MC Commissioner Court. Then there was no decision regarding the case of illegal structure of that religious building. And even after that, they held a meeting. Some organizations has held a meeting, some locals held a meeting, and later they have given a call on the social media to gather at Sanjoli on 11th of September by 11 a.m. And that call has been spread over the social media at different parts of Himachal Pradesh. So now the people have gathered here. They are locals. They are from different parts of Himachal as well, and the number is increasing just because people are coming from a huge distance to participate in this protest, and police is enhancing their additional force. They have called the additional force. They are using their tactics to diffuse this protest. Earlier they have tried implementing the force also. Lathi charge happened, and even the water cannons has been used, but again the protesters gather in a similar number, and even the number has been escalated. So this is one side, this is Sanjoli Chowk. On the other side there is Dhali tunnel, which is being occupied by the protesters. So both the sides, and mosque is in the middle of these two locations, which is in the middle of the market, and both the both the locations has been completely occupied by the protesters. So see, you can see the visuals. Even the locals who are in their homes, they are coming out, and in fact some of them we have seen that started raising the slogans from their homes only. And that is the reason this protest is not from any specific organization. They are locals. This is leaderless. They don't have anyone to lecture them, to guide them, or to diffuse them, but they are just escalating. The sentiments of the people are escalating in this protest, and they are gathering in a large number. And Dipti, this turn out to be the difficult situation for the police as well as administration.
Amandeep, this is Ankit here. Amandeep, they're bringing us the live updates from these protests that are taking place in Shimla at the moment. Remember, it's been a number of hours now, but no sign of these protests slowing down.